Hi, welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. Do you know what is the principle of Newton's cradle? Okay, let's see. Newton's cradle is a device that demonstrates conservation of momentum and energy using a series of swinging spheres. Newton's cradle principle states that when two objects collide, the total momentum of the objects before the collision is equal to the total momentum of the objects after the collision. When one sphere at the end is lifted and released, it strikes the stationary spheres, transmitting a force through the stationary spheres that push the last sphere upward. The last sphere swings back and strikes the still nearly stationary spheres, repeating the effect in the opposite direction. Well, my question is, can we do motion simulation for Newton's cradle using SOLIDWORKS? Let's go and try. I have an assembly, and now I will begin. I'll generate a simple basic motion study using gravity and contact tools. You can find more information about a simple basic motion study in my previous videos. The link is below. For the selections, I will choose the first two balls. And I will continue step by step. Now I will click to calculating my motion study. So you can see, this is works. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to continue to improve your skills in SOLIDWORKS and watch more of our video, please subscribe to more content like this in the future. And now I will say good day and goodbye.